Video of a creator discussing how much he keeps from earning 50K from a brand deal. And I think it's a perfect video to explain a misconception because he explains the situation really well. What I want to dive into is his comment section. And in that comment section, there was a gentleman who was saying how, by the way, the taxes are going to be incurred on the top line number. So the 50K that he talked about, and that's incorrect. I want to expand on that. So if we're meeting for the first time, my name is Ronnie, Canadian US CPA specializing in the creator industry. So if you've been looking for a CPA that speaks directly to you, you found me, the algo is working. Let's talk about how taxes actually work and what number is going to be applied. So the gentleman, his name is Brandon. I'll put a screenshot of the video on the screen, and he talks about him earning 50K, paying agency fees, so 10K, I believe it was like 20% or something, and then having his subscriptions, editors, fees like taken out, like paying them. And someone in the comment section was saying, by the way, Uncle Sam taxes come off the top amount. And that's incorrect because Brandon is a content creator, but he's also a business owner because he has a creator business. And his taxes will be applied on his net income, not his revenue line. So his revenue line is 50K. However, he has some costs of sales, direct costs, which are his agency fees. His agents directly help him earn that 50K. So you have revenues, then you have cost of sales. So that's 10K. So right then and there, Uncle Sam is going to be looking at 40K as a starting point. Then you look into the expenses that he talked about. So the AI subscriptions, the editor fees, those are all operating expenses. So revenue, cost of sales, and then we get gross profit of 40K. And now we go down into the OPEX, the operating expenses, to get to net income. Does net income actually equate to taxable income? No, because if he has meals and stuff like that, there's going to be certain rules applied to what's included as a deduction. But to be clear, Uncle Sam is not going to be looking at 50K and apply that tax rate. Is going to look at 50K minus all of the business expenses, aka the tax write-offs that the creator business has incurred, which will reduce his tax liability. So this applies to whether you're in the States in this example. If you're a Canadian creator as well, it's the same concept. Business owners are taxed on their net income and not their revenue, their top line, which is why tax planning is super important. You want to make sure that you're controlling that taxable income number to ensure that you are, at the end of the year, you are happy with the taxes that you're paying, if any. Hope this helps. Really wanted to clarify that because I think he got like 13 likes. So I want to make sure that my community and any content creator who stumbles upon this video understands how their tax liability is calculated. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. It's been a pleasure. I'll see y'all in the next video.